What's up, viewers and subscribers? Hope all is well. Welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. This captivating home is a must-see. It is nestled in Feurtado Drive, Mandeville, which is a quiet community with great neighbors. This house consists of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen, living, dining, and double garage. It is currently priced at Jamaican 46 million or US $296,000. The land area of this house is 11,434 square feet. Features of this house includes ceramic tiling throughout, security system, ceiling fans, standby generator, jacuzzi, wheelchair access, water tank, grill, and senior oriented. This home is move-in ready and await you, so do not hesitate. Now let's take a look at the house, and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more details on the property, please visit the description area below. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.